Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today I'll be showing you guys the scenarios of people meeting the police in Botswana. How your police interaction in Botswana might go. It might go one way and then it might also go the other way. So, because I'm living in America and I'm homesick, I get homesick uh, all the time. So I do watch a lot of content from people who are traveling to Botswana for pleasure or business, whatever. If they put a video about their travels in Botswana or to Botswana, I have to watch that video because it's another way of, like, I guess, getting closer to home. Anyway, enough about me. So I am going to show you guys the police interactions, and also I will try to give you pointers on what to do in the first scenario is gonna be a good uh time. Like, this couple, they're gonna meet a police officer and they're gonna have a great interaction, and yeah, just do that. Okay, so anyway, let's watch this. This it's a couple from the UK. I think they're traveling the world in their minivan or something like that. UK travel tours. Let's see. Do they have their?
Yeah, he's pulling me over.
I'm sorry?
Okay, that's the highlight. Tread the Globe. I think that's the name of their YouTube channel.
After spending
So
the
go check
past
it out
4.5 years
and
attempting to
see
drive
how
around the world, we find us.
traveled in
Yeah,
Botswana,
drive
okay?
today's probably
So,
about 4-ish
Here's
hours.
the first scenario.
And Trudy's ABS lights have come back on. The warning lights have come back on. We've connected with a guy called Rupert in a garage in Hampshire to get Trudy's MOT done when we get her off the ship. And I messaged him and said her ABS sensors are a little bit tricky. And he said, as long as they're off, it's okay. But Rupert, they've just come back on.
I do enjoy their content so far. They not only went to Botswana, they went also to Zimbabwe and other places all over the world. So please go check out their YouTube channel. Hopefully you enjoy it too. And they're still gonna go to South Africa.
Morning.
Good
How are you?
morning. How are you doing? We're
I'm
good. How are you?
Good. Let's see the license
Yep.
for the madam.
For the Manam.
Do you want to pull off the road or?
Oh, shall I?
So first of all, let me explain here. Like, every police interaction, they have to see your driver's license, obviously, to make sure that you are allowed to drive in the roads in Botswana. And yeah, if you don't have a driver's license, you will be in trouble. And the charges for driving without a driver's license are crazy. Okay, unless if you have money, obviously, but do not drive without a driver's license, especially long distance drive in Botswana. If you don't have a driver's license, if you forgot it, you will get charged until you produce it to a different police station. Then your charges will be dropped, but you might still get charged for driving without a license at that time, but it might not be as crazy as it should or it could have been. Anyway, yeah, let's go.
Move off the
No,
road?
you're
No, it's okay.
Okay. There you go.
Anyway, there's no traffic. Is just too
Traffic
Quiet
is
today.
quiet.
There you go. Don't
They
laugh
have
at
really-
the photograph
They have really good microphones because you
From the
can hear the
UK.
police officer.
from England.
Yeah, my wife is there. She's in London.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
really? Which part? Oh,
Hackney.
Hackney.
I used to
He
live
lived
near
in
Hackney.
Hackney when I met him.
She's working in a Hamilton hospital.
Oh, in a hospital. As a nurse or doctor or
My
nurse?
wife.
Which
Midwife.
hospital? Do you,
Hamilton.
Edmonton? Maybe.
Something like
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Bringing more babies. We all love babies. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. That's,
Woo! I'm telling you, I was watching that scenario and my heart was like pounding. It's like it's me in a traffic stop. I always get that when I get stopped in Botswana. It's like something is wrong. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys, my older brother is a police officer and he also did traffic. And one time I was driving in Botswana, like between Gabs and Ramotswa, and he stopped me. He didn't know it was me, of course, but he stopped me and he was with colleagues and stuff. And my heart, I'm like, I can see it's him. And I am telling you, it's like, I guess the Botswana police uniform is just like, it's intense, but the police are super friendly. Like, you can hear from that conversation. That's how usually it goes when everything is fine. Like sometimes they don't even check your car. They just want to make sure that you have a driver's license or everything is fine in your car. Then you're free to go. And this next scenario that they encountered, I feel like it was I guess misunderstanding. But this is also, I will tell you after the piece. I have to find it here. I think it wasn't long after the video until they encountered the police. Oh wait, no, this is before they got here. Let's see. Yeah, I watched this video like it was me. Oh wait, what is going on here? Yeah, it was it was one of those. Oh, there we go. Let me see, is this? Okay, let's watch. Let's go back. Let's see. Let's start here. Because it seemed like there was gonna be. No, that's too far. Back. Is it front? Where did I see that? Sorry, guys. I don't have the proper technology. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, he's pulling me over.
Oh, interesting.
Interesting. Let me just go off there.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm
good,
amazing.
how
How
are
are
you?
you? I'm sorry? Make a U-turn for speed.
He wants to take us back.
So yeah, already you can tell the police officer's not happy because he feels like his authority has been undermined. Like you can understand from both sides because they're from the UK. They think the police is waving off to them. I think what happened is that because they had that first interaction with the police officer back there, they just thought it was gonna be the same thing, but it wasn't because they were speeding. I felt like if you're gonna watch the video, you'll see that they said they were going 84 on a 80 zone or something like that. Which, yeah, it could have been like faster than that. Maybe they were going almost 90 on an 80 zone. You get stopped immediately. So, yeah.
The other one.
As we drove back, we passed a 60km/h sign. Oh, we thought it was 80.
Oh.
Maybe we were unknowingly speeding.
Yeah, usually the speed goes from like 24. Is it 40? Because I feel like in America it's like 40 miles, but in Botswana it's like 60 km/h to 120. I think that's the maximum speed you can go in Botswana. But sometimes, if you're brave enough, you can drive up to 140, but they will stop you if you're going more than 120 on a bad day. Then you get stopped. So the best thing to do is just follow the speed limit.
I can't drive down there, so
especially when you go into, especially in these roads, like in this long highways of going to like touristic areas, because there's so many accidents, and it's not a good look in the whole country when people get into accidents. It also like pulls out a lot of resources and all that. I feel like they are more strict on those like long highway roads. So yeah, follow this speed
I have
limit.
to follow. I'll have to go here because my car won't go there. Here?
Would you like to stay here? I'll come over.
So like what happens?
No, I wouldn't get out of your car. They come to you.
Oh no, he's
Yeah.
telling me to come over.
So yes, when you get stopped in Botswana, it's not like in America where you have to like sit and hold the steering wheel like this. Because luckily I haven't been stopped like yet in America, but I know like you have to make sure that the police know they will come to your car, and they have to make sure that you don't have any weapons to harm them. But in Botswana, you have to get off and go to the police officer because he is like higher up. You're like a subject. You know what I mean? Like he's the chief. You're like a subject. Did I already say you are a subject? Yes, you are a subject. You are like small in that. You are like standing on his ground. So you have to like go to him, humble yourself. Pretty much. Let's go.
I'm going
Even
to charge
parked
you
on the
to
other
put you
side of
to
the road.
stop.
Okay. Can I just also say, when you were doing this, I thought you were just telling me to slow down. I didn't realise that you were.
You stopped. That man stopped you.
I
You
did.
saw a person on the road.
I heard
You,
a.
you reduce your speed.
Mhm.
Your passenger tend to see the car or the police vehicle. Then you reduce your speed to park there. After parking there, instead of coming back to us, you decided to proceed. I pressed the button for you. You responded to the button and stopped. Then you proceeded. Your occupation?
I'm a YouTuber.
Hmm?
YouTuber.
Yeah, so like this police officer is not playing. He's doing his job to the T. He's telling you like, yo, like that's not my problem. If somebody stopped you, you stopped. You went. You like it was back and forth. I feel like there was a confusion on their side. I think the first interaction they had with that police officer maybe is the one that they kind of like thought things work that way. Like people are just gonna wave at you and let you go when you are speeding. So they had to like, if they had stopped, maybe they would have said, "Yo, you are speeding. Please reduce your speed." But now it seems like she was trying to run away or something. So I mean, he's doing his job fully, and he's not trying to swindle her. And yeah, she is also like trying to reason with him. But if you don't have money, you can just like I don't know, just beg to say, "Yo, dude, I don't have money." But anyway,
YouTuber.
Yeah, I make videos for social media.
that's a in Botswana. That's a weird occupation. I see. Did he just
say?
park on the other
Being
side of the
charged for
road?
speeding and for driving away from a
Let's see
scene
how
of
much
a
they get
crime.
charged.
Marianne grabbed the paperwork and headed back to the officer's car. She came back to collect her bank card to pay the fine.
Whoa, he stopped on the other side of the road.
Wow, that was fun.
How much was that?
1,380 pulu.
Pula.
I don't know, it's like 50 quid.
Yeah. But
Wow,
that's.
you've got to stop speeding, Marianne.
I'm never going to listen to you when you say, no, it's not for you, keep going. Because I got done for disobeying a policeman.
You got an extra fine for refusing to stop.
I'm never listening to you again.
Interesting.
He even had a stapler in his car. It was like to
They're
staple all the
set up for
paper.
it. It's a proper-
It's a proper setup.
Yeah, so basically that's the police interaction. If you want to go check out their YouTube channel, please go check it out. They're having like a wonderful time. They're in Botswana, a wonderful time as well in Zimbabwe. So I just wanted to use their video to show you guys how police interactions are like in Botswana. For me, it's like my heart is always beating out of my chest, even though, like I'm telling you, even if it's my brother, as long as it's in that uniform, there's like that. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so, yeah, do not don't what I. If you are watching this, you are American. I feel like in South Africa they do the same thing. The police, you just can get off and the police come to you, or like in South Africa is different. I don't know. If you're watching and you're in South Africa, please let us know what to do in a traffic stop in South Africa. Do you like get off and go to the police officers, or the police officer comes to you? In Botswana, you have to get off and go to the police car. I mean, half of the time when you go to the police car, you are gonna get charged because he wants to be in his office and show you like you were speeding, and you can contest it and say I was not speeding, and they do have like a video. Usually they do, like if they stop you, they already have your video recording of your speeding on a speed, like they caught you. So if they stop you and they're calling you to their car, or they stop, like if a police officer stops you, you have to get off and go to him, and just like be civil with him, and like I don't know, apologize, say you didn't see the stop sign, just like say your reason, but don't just speed, like you don't like you own the country. Like the police officers, they are they are what do you call it? They are working for the public, so they will have everything. Like also like make sure. I mean, it's rare for the police officer to say, "I'm charging you 1,300," and they don't give you like a formal what you call it, charge sheet or with a stamp that says you have paid for this crime, pretty much. So yeah, it should be that official, and you should ask for your receipt. I guess for tax purposes. I don't know why you would want a receipt, but they always have those official stamps and everything ready for you to, and they have a copy. Just if you want to contest it, you can go back to the police station, and they have a copy of your charge. At yeah. So I feel like now I'm just blubbering. Anyway, those are the kind of the content that I watch from Botswana. So if you want to watch those type of content as well, they will teach you if you want to travel to Botswana. So yeah, the police interactions they vary depending on what you did. So if you know you are wrong, and I do hope that this video teaches you what to do in different scenarios. So okay, go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Bye. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, and yeah, let's grow this channel. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the other side.